Howdy, how are you all doing? It's Nick, London Creative, and today is, well, I've got the painting gear on, so it's another attempt at doing flower art painting. It's been a fair few months, most of the summer. Last time I did one was May for the Norwegian National Day. So I'm going to try again and do something a bit different, try something out, experiment as we always do. I'm going to see if I can do a ring pour on a bit of tree trunk. If it'll work, that's why we're here. Also got a few other bits and a couple of little canvases. We'll see what we've got. I'm not going to town, I'm not going to make any new paint. I'm just going to use the paint I've already got mixed up and see what we come up with. It's an experiment. So we're going to start off. I've just covered it in some white paint and water base mix. I'm going to do a random selection of what you can see up there. First paint, it's guesswork. I think it might be turquoise. Fairly small canvas, I don't think I'm going to need very much paint. Marshmallow white, that's what it is. That, and we're going to do a little ring pour. So you know what happens there? Scrape it off and start again. Scrape it off and start again. Let's try again. Now I'm going to try on this. I'm going to start with a little bit of house paint, grey, magenta, and we're pouring straight into the centre of these rather than pouring down the side. With pink, marshmallow white, which is sort of a greyish white, a little bit more grey. We'll just do a second layer. I'm not needing too many colours. The size of my hand. Into a ring pour. A little bit more. Go for the second coat. I like this crease. It'll do. Okay, one last one. I'm just going to do a Dutch pour. So I'm going to try a swipe for no reason started. much pour. I think we have a thing. This is not going right. Oh really? That says it all, really. That was really pretty. I picked it up, dropped it, and got a really smudge through the middle of it. Look at that. I didn't realise it was still wet. I thought it dried. This is like the perfect example of a pour that didn't work. There's dog hair all over it as well now, just to add to it. And these, well, yeah, also, same thing. It was almost dry, and something fell on it, and it smudged. So that didn't really work. It would work if I could cut them into circles or something to make them into a coaster, but I don't have anything big enough to cut that. Same with this. Could be interesting, but it didn't really work. I didn't even attempt that. It got to the stage during the pour and I'm like, this is not working. I'm not going to waste it. I'll save this for another time. I'll try it again. This purple is very strong, purple and blue. Very good, very much got a theme of some purples and blues. The problem with this, I can't see any demonic faces or anything in it. If it's me, it has to have a demonic face. I can't see anything. Nothing's standing out to me. Can you see anything? No. Probably the most successful thing was the pots I put underneath the paintings to drip the stuff on so it's off the surface. That dried quite cool. I've cut it and cut it out. Ended up with that. Again, don't quite know what to do. It could work as a coaster if I coat it, spray it in varnish. But this is kind of a case of some you win, some you lose. That was really cool. I was really happy with that. I was like, yeah, it works. And then I dropped it. Oh well, that's it. Yay, a really unsuccessful pour. That's just what you wanted to watch, wasn't it? Yep. Well, we'll try again. So there we go. If this was fun, educational, all that, you know, do the stuff and click subscribe and maybe you'll see a successful pour in the future. But for now, I'm going to go and edit this. Bye. Now the guy upstairs is smashing.